Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Quiz School. How good is your general knowledge about the human body? Let's check this out with 40 questions. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz School channel for more exciting quizzes. What is the body's largest organ? Heart, liver, or skin? The answer is skin. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Femur, stapes, or tibia? Yes, it's stapes. Which blood type is considered the universal donor? The answer is O. Where is insulin produced in the body? Pancreas, liver, or kidneys? The answer is pancreas. What part of the brain controls balance and coordination? That's correct, it's cerebellum. Which muscle allows you to breathe involuntarily? Hamstrings, biceps, or diaphragm? The answer is diaphragm. What is the purpose of red blood cells? Carrying oxygen, fighting infections, or digesting food? Yes, it's carrying oxygen. Which gland regulates metabolism in the body? Pituitary, adrenal, or thyroid? The answer is thyroid. What is the technical term for the voice box? Pharynx, larynx, or trachea? The answer is larynx. Which part of the eye gives it its color? Pupil, iris, or retina? The answer is iris. What is the average body temperature in Celsius? The answer is 37 degrees Celsius. Which bone articulates with the humerus to form the elbow joint? That's correct, it's radius and ulna. What is the main function of the kidneys? Filtering blood, producing hormones, or storing urine? Yes, it's filtering blood. Which part of the brain is responsible for memory and learning? Yes, it's hippocampus. What is the name of the longest bone in the human body? The answer is femur. What is the primary function of the respiratory system? The answer is exchange of gases. Which hormone is often called the stress hormone? Testosterone, estrogen, or cortisol? The answer is cortisol. What is the approximate number of bones in the adult human body? 206, 180, or 220? The answer is 206. Which part of the human brain controls voluntary movements? Cerebellum, parietal lobe, or temporal lobe? That's correct, it's cerebellum. Which of these is not one of the four main taste sensation? Sour, bitter, or spicy? The answer is spicy. What role does calcium play, aside from bone strength? Blood pressure, muscle and nerve, or vision? Yes, it's muscle and nerve. Why do you get goosebumps on skin sometimes? Heat, emotions, or cold, or dehydration? The answer is emotions or cold. What causes hiccups? Diaphragm contractions, cold drinks, or lack of oxygen? It's diaphragm contractions. How does the body react to sudden danger? Increased digestion, releases adrenaline, or slows heart rate? Yes, it releases adrenaline. What is the term used to describe the common pins and needles sensation often felt in limbs? The answer is paresthesia. Which part of the human brain is primarily responsible for processing visual information? That's excellent. It's occipital lobe. What is the medical term for the collarbone? Clavicle, scapula, or sternum? The answer is clavicle. What is the name of the largest artery in the human body? So good, it's aorta. Looking at this picture of the brain, which lobe is the arrow pointing at? The answer is parietal lobe. What is the name of the protein responsible for the contraction of muscles in the body? The answer is myosin. Which gland is often referred to as the master gland in the endocrine system? Yes, it's pituitary gland. What is the technical term for the kneecap? Metatarsal, tarsal, or patella? The answer is patella. Which part of the brain controls hunger, thirst, and body temperature? That's correct. It's hypothalamus. What is the scientific term for the windpipe? Bronchus, trachea, or alveoli? The answer is trachea. What is the name of the tough, fibrous tissue that connects muscle to bone? That's right, it's tendon. What is the name of the hormone that regulates the body's metabolism? The answer is thyroxine. Which blood vessels carry oxygenated blood away from the heart? Veins, arteries, or capillaries? Yes, it's arteries. What percentage of your body is composed of water? 50%, 60%, or 80%? The answer is 60%. On average, how many taste buds are present on an adult human tongue? The answer is 10,000. How many teeth does an average adult have, including both baby and permanent teeth? The answer is 32.